Hello, welcome to this set of videos, Math Success in 20 Minutes a Day. Yes, in only 20 minutes a day, you can learn a lot and you can retain quite a lot because we are using videos to explain the concepts and principles and processes for solving math problems. On your screen, you see an elephant and you see 6 blind students. Yes, 6 blind students. The student here touches the elephant. He touches the horn, the tusks of the elephant, and he thinks that what? It's a spear. Oh my God, this is a spear. This thing is a spear. The other blind student, another blind student, touches the elephant's trunk and says, wow, this is a hose. No, this is a hose. This is not a spear, it's a hose. And so the 6 blind students touching different parts of the elephant experience different things and come to different conclusions. This blind student touches the body of the elephant and says, it's a wall, it's a massive wall. Many of you have heard of the poem 6 Blind Men. Well, it's a metaphor for people looking at things differently and coming to different conclusions. So depending upon what type of student you are, you can look at math problems from different perspectives. You can see it as hard, some may see it as tough, some may see it as easy, simple, and so on. Depending upon your perception of the problem, that will determine your attitude towards mathematics. So remember the 6 blind students. This student here touching the tail of the elephant says, it's a rope, it's like a rope, it's a rope. So you too can change your perception of any math problem by changing the way you look at things. Having said that, let's look at what this series of videos will help you do. First of all, you should know the videos. Some of these videos are placed on YouTube, and I'll give you the link to my channel so you can check out the videos. But the most important thing is you're learning from seeing images, illustrations like the one you see on your screen. You'll be hearing the voice of the narrator explaining step by step how the problem is solved. And you'll be watching a video. And you have complete control of the video. You can pause it, replay it any number of times. If you missed the point on the first pass, you can go to any number of times. In addition to these videos, we have a set of interactive quizzes. These interactive quizzes will test you on the very topics covered in these videos. So you have at your fingertips all the tools you need to do well academically. Enjoy.